When a diseased woman who was shunned by all others approached him for help and took hold of his garment, he neither condemned nor dismissed her, but blessed her. When a fallen woman approached him to wash his feet, Christ didn't chastise her, but instead accepted her act of charity. When the Pharisees criticized him for dining with a publican, a man who represented the wrong profession, the wrong politics, and an alien occupying nation, Christ rebuked them, saying that his word and his love was for all. Finally, when Jesus saw the Samaritan woman at the well, he did not shun her as taboo would demand for being a woman and a Samaritan, but spoke to her, taught her, and loved her. Likewise, his parables taught that we need to love and care for all people, not just those like us, but because all are of worth to him. He is teaching that a measure of our discipleship to him